Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mr. Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Meron tayong New Moon in Leo ngayong araw na to, August 16, 2023 at 5:38 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. So for manifestation and new moon rituals, pwede nyo pang gawin yan hanggang kinabukasan ng madaling araw hanggang 3 a.m. So itong New Moon in Leo is the birth of creativity, expressing and healing your inner child, boosting your self-confidence and your courage. So, ang opportunities ninyo rito is how are you going to develop your inner strength? Kung paano mo mas palalakasin yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo. And another opportunity is to expand your creativity. Yung creative talents, yung creative skills mo, creative ideas mo na yan ba lagi mo na lang iisipin o gagawa ka ng action? And ito rin yung time na maaring meron ka mga susubukang bagong ventures, bagong ideas na kung saan mas ma-develop mo or makikilala mo lalo yung sarili mo. Madidiscover mo na, magaling ka pala sa ganitong bagay. May talent ka pala sa ganito. Kasi nga, you are trying new things towards your creativity. And ang goal mo rito is to avoid drama. Kung merong mga drama sa paligid mo, umiwas ka na lang para hindi mo makuha yung energy sa paligid mo, yung mga dramatic energies na yan. Maari rin kasi mag-cause yan ng stress sa'yo or trauma. At kung hanggat kaya mo namang iwasan, do it. But of course, if you need to confront it, you have to make sure na you are ready to confront the drama. Oo, kasi kesa naman maapektuhan ka masyado. And another goals for you is to overcome your ego. Kasi may mga pagkakataon na, gusto nating ipaglaban yung sarili natin na ipakita na tayo yung tama at sila yung mali. Dahil minsan natatapakan yung ego natin. Kaya lang sabi nga, you have to choose your battles. May mga laban na hindi worth it, na nasasayang lang yung energy mo doon. So, make sure na worth it yung mga laban na papasukin mo, no? Mas maganda na i-redirect mo yung energy mo sa ibang bagay na kung saan mas kapaki-pakinabang, okay? So, for you, Sagittarius, itong New Moon in Leo ay mangyayari sa inyong 9th house. So, I think you're becoming more confident sa mga nalalaman mo, especially kung ikaw ay patuloy na nag-aaral, nagre-research. The more na nag-aaral ka, nag-acquire ka ng knowledge, the more na mas nagiging confident ka to present yourself, to show yourself to the world, and to do the things na gusto mo dahil nga you know what you're doing. Ayan. And with Venus here, Venus is in retrograde right now. Medyo maghinay-hinay ka lang when it comes to travel, lalo na kung ito yung mga unplanned na travels. Okay, make sure that you are ready, you are prepared for the travels kasi maaring magkaroon ng cause ng delay yan or any challenges or obstacles na ma-experience mo during the retrograde. So, but of course, if you know that you are prepared, and talagang gusto mo pumunta dun sa lugar na yon and it's going to do something great for you, then do it. But of course, with precaution. And then, meron tong challenging aspect sa iyong 6th house which is about your health, yung kalusugan mo. Jupiter and Uranus in Taurus. Jupiter is about expansion and it's in your 6th house. So, you really have to make sure na anything na alam mong hindi nakakabuti sa'yo sa kalusugan mo is you try to eliminate that or bawasan mo na. Anything na sobra, hindi nakakabuti sa kalusugan natin. And alam kong alam nyo yan. So, yeah, you have to make sure na things are in moderation. Kahit ano pa yan, let's say, related sa iyong healthy habits, sa habits mo, sa kakalusugan mo. And then also, sixth house is about your daily routine. So, I think yung iba sa inyo, medyo meron kayong mga gustong gawing routine na nahihirapan kayong gawin dahil, syempre, hindi kayo sanay. So, example, gusto mo na maging healthy na, no? Gusto mo na mag-jogging ka everyday, gigising ka ng maaga, sineset mo na yun sa sarili mo. And pagdating ng oras na yon, tinatamad ka or minsan nagagawa mo pero kinabukasan hindi na, nagiging inconsistent ka. So, it's time for you to focus on your goals at isipin mo, kumbaga, keep your eye on the prize para makita mo, magkaroon siya ng resulta, no? Kung ano man yung mga goals mo sa mga gusto mong i-organize sa buhay mo or ayusin. And then, also, meron ditong positive aspects sa Chiron, North Node in Aries in the 5th house. So, when it comes to your creativity, creative pursuits, maaring maraming opportunities na mag-open up sa'yo. Maaring merong mga tutulong sa'yo or may mga, alam mo yung referrals na, si Sagittarius magaling yan sa ganito, yun yung expertise niya. Tapos, i-refer ka nila sa ibang tao na nangangailangan ng products mo or ng services mo or ng knowledge mo. So, it's also time for you to connect with other people and share your knowledge and skills with them. Kasi you'll never know na baka dun ka mas maging matagumpay. Ayan. So, focusing on your creativity and healing your inner child as well. Yung iba sa inyo, yung mga bagay na na-deprive sa inyo ng bata kayo, during this time, you will realize that may mga bagay na ikaw na dapat yung nagfulfill nun sa sarili mo. Kasi, lalo na kung halimbawa, isipin mo pa yung parents mo, hindi ka nabigyan ng ganitong bagay ng bata ka, hindi ka nabigyan ng ganitong opportunity. And, minsan kasi, hindi rin nila kontrolado yung buhay nila ng time na yon. So, ngayon na, kung ikaw meron ka ng kakayanan na i-treat yung sarili mo, then do it for yourself to heal your inner child. And meron din tong frustration sa inyong finances, Sagittarius, no? Dahil things are transforming for you, meron siyang quincunx sa Pluto. Maaring merong pagbabago ng source of income for you na hindi pa kayo nagiging open sa ganong idea. So, maaring you try to, dive deeper, no? Kung paano mo magagawa yon. Let's say, for example, kung dati sanay ka sa conventional type of job na pupunta ka sa office, sa kumpanya, magtatrabaho, and then that's it. Pero nakita mo na may opportunity ka na kumita online or maging content creator, pero hindi mo siya sinusubukan kasi nga you feel like parang lagi kang merong may excuses na kasi ganito, wala akong maayos na cellphone or ganito. Pero actually talaga, iniiwasan mo lang kahit na nandyan na yung opportunity. So, this is the time for you to take that opportunity na, wag mong sayangin, lalo na kung merong nag-open up sa'yo na pagkakataon, okay? Na kumita ng pera kasi, merong opportunity. And another thing is, meron din tong frustration sa yung 4th house, sa family life. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, nasa situation kayo na hindi kayo ganun ka sinusuportahan ng family nyo or ng parents nyo or ng, kumbaga yung sitwasyon ng bahay nyo ngayon or ng family nyo is mahirap isingit yung ibang mga gusto nyong gawin. So, syempre, kayo naman yung magde-decide niyan whether you want to pursue this or not. But, let me just tell you na merong opportunity for you to earn money outside of your current situation. Okay? So, merong ibang opportunities na pwede mong subukan related sa creativity mo na kung saan mas showcase mo yung talents and skills mo. Okay? Let's see what else, Sag. You have the Devil card. This is, I feel like some of you are limiting yourself. Maaring nagpapakontrol kayo sa ibang tao or maaring you are in a toxic situation wherein hindi mo nakikita yung totoong galing mo, no? Dahil maaring merong tao na nagtatry to bring you down or maaring meron kang unhealthy habit na hindi mo pa na-address. Oo. So, you have the Fool. So, this is you freeing yourself. So, I think there is an opportunity for you to take risk, to finally palayain mo yung sarili mo dito sa toxic situation and limitations na to. Yes, things are ending. Whatever that is stressing you out, natatapos na. It's time for you to step out of your comfort zone and focus on what you can do, something new. What's something new you can do? Anong bago yung pwede mong magawa? So, it's your time to shine. This is the energy of New Moon in Leo, and your confidence is your key to success. So, kailangan, naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo para mas maging successful ka. Okay, so that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.